The zero-point energy field, or the unified field, unites and holds all universal life. 1. Almighty force, like a web that connects, binds and sustains everything and everyone because all life is energy. Zero-point energy field. The zero-point energy field, commonly termed ZPEF, is similar to a web or matrix of energy, originating from God, and it prevails throughout everything and everyone in the universe. It is infinite, indeterminable, without shape, and it has no sides or limitations of any type. Imagine a film or a page with the ZPEF as an all-encompassing overlay and/or underlay that superimposes everything, and it is ever present, without any limitations, borders, shape, etc. In other words, our energy realm within which we live is totally encompassed within the zero-point energy field. Other writers, one being Aaron Murakami, author of The Quantum Key, refers to ether which bears the air we breathe. The ZPEF also bears the ether, which also bears everything else. In this book, Aaron Murakami asks the question, and quote, where, or on what, do you think the air, oxygen, actually exists? And quote. This question blew me away at first, because I automatically thought, as most of us do, that it is just there, in the air. I mean, for Pete's sake, just wave your arms around and feel the air. And then it dawned on me, wham! If this is the air that I am feeling on my hands and arms, and feel it filling my lungs, then what holds the air in place? On what does it float? What keeps it in place? Ether within our energy realm. Peace and harmony within the ZPEF realm. So then, since everything comprises one life in one creation, all living within one great energy field, one would presume that we are all living one harmonious and peaceful life together, right? Wrong. I'm afraid, totally and completely wrong. This article is not intended to hammer humankind, but we need to acknowledge that, in our selfish quest for power, wealth and total global control, we cause perpetual wars, power struggles, religious disharmony, and cultural and societal conflicts. We eternally trash our planet through our luxurious lifestyle by way of industrial and electricity production, uranium waste, which takes 300 years to lose its radiation power, the use of petrol-driven vehicles and aircraft, space exploration, destroying our oceans through abuse and oil leakage, plastic production and waste, and other poisonous substances and gases. We have reduced the nutritional value of our natural foods through the abuse of and draining of agricultural land and the consistent destruction of ecosystems. Not to mention the ever-shortening supply of consumable water, our life blood, and the poisonous water seeping upward from mine shafts that is running into rivers and tributaries, poisoning everything and everyone on our planet. At this rate of self-destruction, it is no wonder that world powers are wanting to colonize Mars or any livable planet. In the supernatural sense, and if you believe in God, what do you think his opinion is of our lifestyle and destruction of our planet Earth and of one another? In other words, would the end of the world be at hand due to our own sinful deeds? In my not so humble opinion, most certainly